Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything. This is critical. Once done, reboot and press the motherboard BIOS key, Del, F2, F10, or ESC, repeatedly so you enter setup. Make sure you know whether the system uses firmware RAID, Intel RSD, or a dedicated controller because the menus differ. While in BIOS, locate the SATA or storage configuration section quickly. You will need that screen. Do not proceed until you've recorded current settings and confirmed backups exist. You now find the SATA or storage configuration and identify whether the mode is RAID. If you see Intel RSD or a vendor RAID utility, enter that utility first and delete or break the array after confirming backups. This removes RAID metadata. Next, change SATA mode from RAID to ASI or IDE, depending on your OS requirements. Make sure to note current drive order and boot device. Save the BIOS changes, but do not reboot into the OS. Yet if you need driver, you finish by saving and exiting BIOS, then boot into your OS or installer to ensure drives are visible and to install ASI drivers when required. If the system does not boot, restore RAID mode temporarily. This lets you access data and reevaluate steps. Once stable, uninstall RAID drivers and repeat the switch. Make sure boot priority points at the correct drive. One key troubleshooting tip: if anything goes wrong, use recovery media and never overwrite disks before confirming backups, because RAID metadata removal can be irreversible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.